Welcome to Copeland's Cuisine. Today we're going to be making lumpia. I make my lumpia with ground beef, garlic salt, soy sauce, cabbage, carrots, and onions. We're going to start off by making our filling. We're going to cook all of the ground beef down until it's nice and brown. Once it's all brown, we're going to go ahead and drain all of the grease out. And while the meat is draining, we're going to go ahead and sweat down all of our carrots, cabbage, and onions. Then we're going to add soy sauce. And next, we're going to add garlic. Once we give it a good mix, we add our ground beef. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic salt and mix it all up. A lot of people use pork as well, but I just like to use ground beef. We're going to cover it and cook it down for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to put it all in a bowl and let it cool. Next, we're going to start our wrapping process. For each lumpia, I use about a teaspoon of filling. And when you're wrapping or rolling, you want to make sure without ripping it, you're pulling pretty tight. To hold the wrapper together, I use an egg wash. A lot of people like to use egg yolks, but I use the whole egg. Here's what they look like once they're all rolled up. The grease should be about 375. And you don't want to overcrowd the pan or they won't cook evenly. When you take them out of the pan, what I like to do is set them upright. That way all of the oil drains down and they don't become soggy. They maintain their crisp. Here's what they look like when they fried, tied, and laid to the side, y'all.